Yes, scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Children, do you remember last time what we had learned? We had learned about fruits, right? How fruits are good for us and how it helps us, right? So children, do you all eat fruits now? Yes, very good. You know what? Even I eat fruit every day. I eat at least one or two fruits every day. And also I eat an apple every day. You know why? Because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, what does that mean? It means that if we eat an apple every day, at least one apple in a day, then we will not fall sick. And if we don't fall sick, then we don't have to go to the doctor. So children, at least eat one apple in a day, so you will become very strong and very healthy. And children, now are you all ready to see what all other things we can learn about fruits? And today we will be doing some activity also of fruits. So take out your World Around Us book and let's start. So children, take out your World Around Us book. We will be continuing with our topic fruits. Let us have a quick recap of what we have learned in our last session. We had learned that plants gives us food in the form of fruits and vegetables. As we can see in this picture, right? It's a mango tree and mango is a fruit, which means a plant gives us food in the form of fruits and vegetables. We have seen many vegetable trees also, right? Vegetable plants also. And second we had learnt was fruits keep the seeds of the plant safely, covering them and holding them tight. As we can see in this picture, there is brown seeds over here, right? A fruit keep the seeds of the plant safely, covering them and holding them tight. When we can see these seeds, when we cut the apple or cut any other fruit, right? Otherwise it keeps the seeds safely, covering them and holding them tight inside it, right? What else we had learned? We had learned that fruits come in different colors and shapes. As we can see here, fruits are in different shapes and different colors. And we had also learned that fruits helps to keep our skin glowing, keeping our hair glossy, and it is also good for our eyes. We had learned this last time that how fruits are helpful to us. It helps us to keep our skin glowing, keep our hair glossy, and it is also good for our eyes. So we should every day eat at least one or two fruit. Now, starting with the new topic. Fruits are of two types. Fruits are of two types, juicy fruit and fleshy fruit. Here it is an example of a juicy fruit. It is grapes, right? Grapes is a juicy fruit. And fleshy fruit, banana. It is a fleshy fruit. There are many other fruits which are juicy and there are other fruits which are fleshy. Now let us see what is juicy fruit and what is fleshy fruit. Juicy fruit. Juicy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make juices. For example, oranges. You all can see oranges and orange juice over here. Juicy fruits are the fruits from which we can make different type of juices like oranges, sweet lime, mango. All these are juicy fruits. Okay, and from this fruits we can make juices. Now let us see what is fleshy fruit. Fleshy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make shakes. Fleshy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make shakes as strawberry. Do you all drink strawberry milkshakes? Yes, so it is fleshy fruit. Whichever fruits that can be used to make shakes is known as fleshy fruit. Okay, banana, as I told you, banana shake also we drink, right? So banana is also fleshy fruit. There are many fruits which are juicy and some of them are fleshy. Juicy fruits are used to make juices and fleshy fruits are used to make shakes. Now let us see what is next. There are some fruits which have lots of seeds. See, a watermelon and a papaya. There are many seeds inside it, right? See the papaya, the black portion is the seeds of the papaya, and this is watermelon seeds. So there are some fruits which have lots of seeds and there are some which have just one or two seeds. Which fruit is this? It's lychee. Yes, can you see this brown portion? It's the seed of lychee. A lychee has only one seed. So children, there are some fruits like watermelon, papaya which have many seeds, and there are some which have just one or two seeds like lychee. Now go to page number 33. Yes, can you all see this? Now let us see this. What is this? An orange. Orange helps us to make orange juice. From mango we can make mango juice. From chiku we can make chiku shake. Yes. So orange is a juicy fruit, mango is a juicy fruit, and chiku is a fleshy fruit, right? Now go to page number 34. Now Popcorn wants to tell you some fun facts. Children, I had told you all that we should eat fruit every day, right? Why we should eat that? Yes, because it keeps us healthy, right? And it is very rich in vitamins. Fruits have lot of vitamins in it. They keeps us healthy. Do you all know tomato is a fruit? Yes, tomato is a fruit. It's not a vegetable. It is a fruit. Interesting, right? Yes. Now children, on this page we have to draw some fruits in the circle. I will be drawing my favorite fruits in this circle. Y'all can draw any fruit of your choice. Whichever fruit is your favorite, y'all can draw that. An apple is already there. And y'all know, right? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So now let us see which are my favorite fruits. Grapes. I love to eat grapes. Grapes comes in two colors, right? Purple and green. Now let me see. Strawberry. I love strawberry shake. Do you love it? Pineapple. I love to drink pineapple juice. And mango, the king of all the fruits. I love mango. So children, similarly, y'all have to draw your favorite fruits in this circle and complete the page number 34. So children, today we have completed page number 33 and 34. And we have learned so many things about fruits, right? So now promise me that every day you all will be eating at least one or two fruits, right? I will be asking you in my next session. And we will be continuing with the topic of fruits in my next video also. So children, till then, bye-bye. Eat fruits, stay healthy. Thank you.